Hello everyone, I just wanted to take a few moments to talk to you about sleep position. If you're having low back pain, the best position for you to sleep in is on your back. So the first thing you want to take a look at is the position of your neck. Your neck should not be in too far of a flex position or too much in an extended position. So the pillow should basically support the curves of the neck, the lordotic curve. So you want to make sure that your pillow isn't too thin, but it's not too fluffy as well. The next thing, you want to make sure that your knees are supported. So you want to take a pillow underneath your knees, or if you have a bolster, you can use that. So let me demonstrate. So my head isn't too far extended back and it's not too far flexed up. And I'm simply going to take the pillow and place it under my knees. So my knees are just in a little bit of flexion. So this is hands down the best sleep position. Well, what if you're like me and you just can't sleep on your back? Well, again, we're thinking neutral, and you can get in a pretty neutral position if you are on your side. It's not quite as good as sleeping on your back, but it's not bad either. But again, you want to keep in mind the position of the neck. So you're not too bent this way and you're not too far bent this way, but the neck is staying in a neutral position. You also want to take a look at the position of the hips and the thighs. You definitely want to use a pillow between your legs. So let me demonstrate. So as you can see, my spine is in a pretty straight position. So another thing I like to do is I like to take the shoulder and pull it out to give myself some space when I'm sleeping. So one thing that you don't want to do is you don't want to sling this top leg over top like this. And what that causes is a lot of asymmetries in the hips and the knee area, and that will definitely put pressure on the low back. So your knees should be together, your feet are together, but there's this pillow in between that is basically keeping your knees and your hips in the same alignment. Okay, everyone, hopefully this helps. Changing your sleep position absolutely can make a huge difference with how you're feeling and how you function first thing in the morning. All right.